If you need to cancel your Wise subscription, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Wise website or open the Wise app. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to subscription settings. Once logged in, look for the settings or account section. Here, you should find an option for subscription or billing. Step 3. Select the subscription to cancel. In the subscription settings, locate the specific subscription you wish to cancel. Click on it to view more details. Step 4. Initiate the cancellation process. Look for a cancel subscription button or link. Click on it and follow any prompts that appear to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After completing the cancellation process, you should receive a confirmation message or email. Keep this for your records to ensure that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Wise subscription. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Wise customer support for assistance.